new grill. All right, we're going from propane to natural gas, right? So we had to buy a conversion kit for this. I didn't even forget the model that we bought. Charbroil. 2-burner grill. So I'm going to show you guys the process of converting it to a natural gas. Comes with instructions right here. I'm just going to go step by step. First step is remove the pins. Put them off to a safe spot. Pull the side brace. And we got to get these other pins off here. Now each grill is going to be a little bit different. And then we slide the burners off. Okay, your next step is to remove the electric start gizmo. What are those things called? And you use a flathead screwdriver. And if you guys can see, there's like 2 little clamps right here. And you just kind of pry them open with your flathead screwdriver. Okay, once you got the burners removed, you're going to hold the camera. We are going to use this device. Insert it where the burners were at. And you got to find the little device, so it's a lot of looking. And then you just got to kind of just turn it counterclockwise.
Whoa, it's echoing. Wait, no, it's not.
And then it comes off, and this is the piece that you pull off. So set that aside. All right, so these directions are a little bit confusing. You got to kind of make it through the how they're describing it. So our particular grill that we got was a 2-burner without a side burner. So when you're looking at these conversion directions, they have 9 through 15, and 9 through 15 are for a side burner. So we can actually skip that section and then go into control knob conversion. So I'm just kind of curious as to why we do the control knob conversion, but we are. All right, so let's go do that right now. Step 1 is pull the burner control knob off the valve stem. All right, so you got to kind of pull hard. Boom. Looks like there's 2 screws in each one. So these little stop pins go in here. And you just do a flathead screwdriver and don't over tighten. Alright, so that little new screw is in place, and you just put your knobs back on. That's what we're doing. That's it. Now next step is to remove the propane tank check valve. So you just unloosen it. And save that for later. Alright, now we're just going to put everything back together. There we go. Let's put it all back together. Take the burners, put them in with the electric starters, re-snap them in place. Make sure that you insert them into the orifice that is down in this hole. side support, front going that way. And the 4 clips. Propane, no longer. We'll put the old tank in there, but hooked it up. Any leaks?
Nothing so far.
That's it, turned it on. Think you run it for like a half hour to clean it off?
I would. Maybe like the 400 degrees, 500. It doesn't heat as high